No, stop.
So, Josh has hiccups for the past 8 hours, and one of the remedies that my mother found on the internet
Was to have a glass of wine.
well, he had a little bit more than a glass of wine. He had the whole damn bottle. Oh.
You shouldn't be so uptight, Mark. You should just
Relax.
Good night. So, life update. I'm hiccuping again. So, Linda suggested I had a glass of wine. Well, I had a glass.
You have wine hiccups?
No, I had a bottle.
What glass?
I drank an entire bottle of wine within 10 minutes. And she looks at me and goes, I'm really impressed.
What kind of wine?
Riesling.
What?
Yeah.
It's like 4.5 glasses.
How many ounces was it?
I honestly have no idea. Oh wait, hold on.
0.76 liters.
It's
Siri,
0.75.
Alexa,
Why would it be 0.76?
how many ounces is 0.76 liters? What? Is 0.76 liters. Okay, Alexa, how many ounces are in 3/4 of a liter?
0.75 liters is about 25.5 fluid ounces.
I had 25 ounces of wine.
Oh.
So I'm gonna lay on the floor and hope for the best.
Oops.
Alright, well, love you, pray for me. If I hit these hiccups tomorrow, I'm jumping off a bridge. I'm not
Alright, my little buddies.
Alright, go relax.
Alright, that's what.
So, as I was saying before, my life is pretty much a shit show, and the people who are in it really just make it all that much more interesting. I just started this YouTube video today, and, well, I uploaded this intro video, and possibly uploading this tonight as well. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see how I feel. But when I said that my life is a shit show, I wasn't kidding. I mean, some of the remedies that you find on Facebook, I'm sorry, not even on Facebook, on the internet, are just absolutely ridiculous. One of them that I wish I honestly recorded before was one of them was giving yourself an anal massage. Who does that? and apparently the most reasonable one. You know, not like holding your breath or going upside down or whatever the crazy remedies are. Apparently drinking a glass of wine was the best option. He had an entire glass. So, anywho, good night, everybody.